combinational circuits. Combinational circuits. What is the combinational circuits? This is combinational circuits is the here the number of input variables and produces the m number of output variables. Okay, here does not use the any memory element in the combinational circuits. In this outputs are depends on the present inputs. Okay, examples for the combinational circuits. First one is the adders and second one is subtractors and third one is mux, multiplexes and demultiplexes and fifth one is encoders and sixth one is decoders. These are the combinational circuits. Here outputs are depends on the present inputs. Let's start the adders. The first one is the adders. Adders are classified into two types. First one is the half adder and second one is the full adder. First one is the half adder and second one is the full adder. In half adder we are using the two inputs and produces the two outputs. Okay, here the inputs are we consider A and B and outputs are sum is denoted by S and next output is carry is denoted by C. These are the two inputs and second one is the full adder. In full adder we are using the three inputs and produces the two outputs. Okay, here we consider the inputs are A, B and C in and outputs are sum and carry. Okay, let's see the half adder. Half adder. Let us see the half adder. In half adder circuit we are using the two inputs A and B. We consider A and B and outputs are sum and carry. Okay, first we draw the block diagram of half adder circuit. Block diagram of half adder. Here the inputs are this is the HA means half adder. We are using the two inputs, they are A and B and outputs are sum and carry. Okay, this is the block diagram of half adder and coming to the truth table of half adder, that is inputs and outputs. Okay, here we consider the inputs are A, B. So we write the A and B and produces the sum and carry. Okay, here we are using the two inputs, produces the four combinations. The combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. Okay, here we are adding the two binary numbers. Okay, 0 plus 0, the sum is 0 and carry is also 0. And next 0 plus 1, the sum is 1, carry is 0. And next 1 plus 0, the sum is 1, carry is 0. And next 1 plus 1, the carry is 1 and sum is 0. This is truth table for half adder. Okay, and next draw the K map. K map for what are the outputs here? Sum and carry. K map for first we find out the S, that is sum. Okay, and here we are using the two input variable. So how many number of cells? 4 number of cells. Here the inputs are A, B. Okay, this is B bar, B, A bar, A. The minterm is 1, 2, 3. Okay, in sum the 1 is appears at 1. This is corresponding to the 1 and 2. We are grouping these cells 1, 2. This is taking one group. Consider the first group. Here the expression is A. This is corresponding to the A and column wise corresponding to the variable is B bar. And next we are grouping here. This is second. Okay, this is A bar, B. And write down the equation, K map equation for sum. Sum equal to A B bar plus A bar B. This is expression the for sum. This is expression in XOR equation. A bar B plus A bar A B bar. This is expression in A XOR B. Sum is equal to A XOR B. Okay, and next find out the carry. K map for carry. Okay, here also we are using the 4 cells 0, 1, 2, 3. This is A, B. We can write also this is A and this is considered B. This is B bar B. This is A bar A. Here the in truth table the 1 is appears at only 3. Okay, this is responding to the 3. This third cell is contains 1. Okay, this is grouping. What is the equation? A, B. Okay, finally we write the carry C equal to only just A, B. Okay, and next draw the logic diagram for half adder. Okay, logic diagram for half adder circuit. Here how to draw the logic diagram? By using the K-map equations. Okay, and next sum is equal to what is the equation here? A XOR B. And next carry is A into B. In half adder circuit we are using the two logic gates. They are XOR gate and AND gate. A, this is XOR gate, this is for sum output. And next A, B. A, B are connected to the AND gate. This is carry. This is sum. This is logic diagram for half adder circuit. Okay. This is overall about the half adder circuit.